Okay, so today we're going to make a paper airplane. First, you fold your paper airplane in half. You have to be very precise when you're doing this, otherwise it doesn't work out. It's an A4 piece of paper, everybody. And you unfold it, so you've got your crease down the middle. Then you fold your corner in onto your crease. Also again, you have very precise onto your crease, clean edges. You can even take a ruler and clean up your edges if you want to. Then you can take this side and you're going to fold it in. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this corner where that meets and we're going to fold it into the middle. Again, make the tip of your plane very neat. Along with the middle, and fold it out. And then we're going to take this side and do the same thing. Into the middle and out. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take your plane and fold it in half so you get a nice plane shape. And we're just going to crease down the bottom, just make sure everything is in proper alignment along the back. And then we're going to take this plane and fold that down to the bottom. As where you meet here, take this side and fold it down to the bottom. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece, that where the quarter crease meets there, and fold it up to the top. And then again on the same on the other side. Take that, fold it up to the top. And there you have your paper airplane. You can take that and fold it up if you need to. But that's it.